Ashura marks one of the holiest days in the Shiite calendar. Hundreds of thousands of pilgrims gather each year in the Iraqi city of Karbala to commemorate the killing of Imam Hussein, grandson of the Prophet Muhammad in the 7th century. Wearing white robes, they cut their heads with swords and spears in mourning over the Imam's death. It represented the beginning of tensions between Sunni and Shiite Muslims, which hangs on the question of succession following Muhammad's death in 632. While Sunnis sought an elected caliph, the Shiites accepted only direct descendants of the Prophet. The day of Ashura marks the anniversary of the violent assassination of Hussein, son of Ali, a descendant of Muhammad. Tensions between Shiites and Sunnis continued through the ages. More recently, in the aftermath of the Iran-Iraq War, thousands died in fighting carried out along sectarian lines. Sunni extremists who consider Shiites as heretics have been known to kill dozens of pilgrims commemorating Ashura every year.